Beets or beetroots are a colorful, cool season crop that is easy to grow from seed, and you don't have to wait long to harvest their tasty roots. In this video, we will be showing how to grow beets from seeds to harvest. We will be growing the popular Detroit dark red variety. This variety matures in 60 days. The seeds are kinda big, so it's easy to handle and sow. Each beet seed is actually a hard cluster of 2 to 4 seeds. Seeds can be started indoors or sown directly in the garden. If starting indoors, sow seeds 6 to 8 weeks before the last spring frost. Harden off and transplant outside 4 weeks later. Start the seeds in potting mix or seed starting mix. Sow 1 to 2 seeds in each pot. Loosely cover the seeds and water. Keep the potting soil moist as the seed germinates and grows into seedlings. The seeds will typically germinate in 8 to 12 days. Grow beets in full sun or partial shade. Plant beets in well-worked loose soil rich in organic matter. Be sure to remove any stones from the planting bed so as not to split growing roots. Add plenty of aged compost to the soil in advance of planting. This will increase the yield. Carefully transplant the seedlings to a spacing of 6 inches. Water the new plants well after planting. If starting outdoors, sow the seeds in the garden 2 to 3 weeks before the last average frost date in the spring. The soil temperature should be at least 50°F. Beets are a cold weather crop. Beets thrive in moderate temperatures from 50°F to 65°F. Since each seed cluster has multiple seeds, multiple seedlings could be growing in one spot. Thin the beets as soon as they are about 3 inches tall to avoid crowding, which will hinder the root growth. Keep beets evenly watered. Do not let the soil dry out. Lack of water will cause roots to become stunted and tough. Side dress beets with compost at mid-season. As beetroots grow, the roots will push themselves out of the ground, so hill up the soil around the roots as necessary. If weeds grow near the beets, remove them by hand rather than using tools. Garden tools can nick the developing beetroots and expose them to disease. Keep the planting bed weed-free to avoid competition of water and nutrients. Beets can be harvested at any time. For baby beets, harvest when the root is no more than 1 to 2 inches of diameter. Cook the leaves as well as the roots. All parts of the plants are delicious. If you want the most food from the garden space, wait until the roots have filled out to several inches in diameter. We are going to wait till the roots are a good size. To harvest, gently pull out the leaves and the roots will come out. This is a nice sized beet. Look at this beautiful beet. With the right soil and the right condition, you can get a very good harvest. Beets can again be planted in late summer or early autumn, 6 to 8 weeks before the first average frost in autumn. Beets are incredibly nutritious. Both the roots and the leaves are an excellent source of antioxidants, minerals, and vitamin C. You can eat them raw, cooked, or pickled. As you just saw, beets are one of the easiest vegetables you can grow. They don't need staking, pruning, or any other gardening steps. Hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.